In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube profile picture. To get started, open up a new internet browser and come across to youtube.com. Now, if you're not already, what you want to do is log into your account. And once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right-hand corner and click onto your YouTube profile icon. Now, from this menu that comes up, you want to click the link to view your channel. And once you're on the screen here, if you hover over your current profile picture, you're going to see an icon come up. So this kind of camera looking icon. Give that a click and it's going to take you to your channel customization page. Now from here, all you need to do is simply scroll down to the picture section and click onto the upload button. Make sure that the file is a PNG or a GIF, but of course no animations. And of course make sure your picture just follow the community guidelines. All you need to do is click onto upload and that's going to open up your computer file explorer. And what you can then do is locate the picture that you want to use as your new YouTube profile picture. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select my channel logo. And what I'm going to do is double click, which is going to bring up a screen like this. What we can now do is customize the picture, so we can crop this and then click on to done. Now, as you can see, that's now been changed. Make sure to come up to the top right and click the publish button to apply the changes. And once you've done that, if you come back to your channel, you should now see your profile picture would have been updated. So that is how to change your YouTube profile picture. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.